If you look the world from the fear, you will see a kind of a communist world. If you look at the world from the worry, you will see a confused chaos. Maybe you will see India. I can't say exactly India, because India also can be seen from spiritual angle. You can see India from spiritual angle. What you understand as an India, if you see from the Western angle, you may see from Manipura, means the chaos and dirty and this kind of ideas. See, whatever, from whichever center you are seeing, you will see that kind of world. When you change the center, when you shift your energy from one center to another center, you will see a new world. So we will raise your energy, release your energy from lower centers and raise your energy to the higher energy centers, shift the understanding. Shift the understanding, make you see the new world. Understand? To make the whole world blissful, happy, enlightened, Satyaloka, you don't have to do anything else. Just shift your center. You can see, if you are sitting and watching horror movie, your whole mind, your whole setup, you will feel as if whole world is horrible. Just change the channel and see some comedy movie. You will see your whole world is different now. Just one button. Same way, just how one button changes your whole mood on the channel. Just shift the energy center. Move to the different energy center. Move to the different chakra. You will see new world in front of you. The chakra science is just to awaken you for inner awakening. When you awaken yourself, you will come up to the higher centers. Most of your energy will be centered in higher centers and you will start seeing the new world. There will be a big shift in your understanding, in your world, in everything. In everything. You see, everything boils down to your experience. Whether it is terrorism, you have so many problems. You may think world is suffering with so many problems. This is there, that problem, this problem. Everything boils down to your experience. If you shift your energy centers, you can see in your life, the moment you started entering into spirituality, you would have felt many times, I think whole world is becoming spiritual. How many of you have felt this? Whole world is not becoming spiritual, understand? You are becoming spiritual. So, your world is becoming spiritual. So, if you want to save yourself, if you want to save the world, all you need to do is save yourself. Nothing else is needed. That is the truth. If you want to save the world, all you need to do, save yourself. The whole world will be saved because your world will be different. Totally different. You may think, no. People are dying in Mumbai. How can I save them? They will save themselves. Don't bother. No, it is their world. It is their choice. Please understand, everything, even including poverty, disease, people choose. Maybe different reason. You don't know. I know the larger picture. I want to tell you one incident. In America only, one young boy was brought to me for healing. One autistic child. He is from Telugu family. Their whole family doesn't know a single word of Tamil. A very small boy, maybe 4 or 5 year old boy, was brought to me for autism. I put my hand on the child to heal. Within 1 minute, that boy started speaking to me in Tamil, very colloquial Tamil, the village Tamil, and he said, remove your hand, don't heal me. That boy, autistic child, the main problem is the parents brought, he doesn't speak, he doesn't have mental growth. The moment I put my hand, he said, remove your hand. I was shocked. I thought some ghost is possessing him. I asked him, who are you? Who is talking? That boy said, I am the owner of this body. I am talking. I am not a ghost. Because usually ghosts cannot stand in front of enlightened masters. They run away. Unless they come in the name of seekers and disciples. They run away. Anyhow, I was shocked. This guy said, I'm the owner of this body. Take your hands away. I don't want you to heal me. I said, why? Why you don't want to be healed? He said, I don't want to live a responsible life. I don't want to take my responsibility. I suffered with this responsibility. I just want to live a life that somebody should take care of me. A free life. So that is why this time I decided to be an artistic child. I don't want to go to college. I don't want to work. I don't want to do anything. I want somebody to take care of me. I said, that is okay. But your parents are such wonderful people. They are such nice people. Why did you take birth to them? He says, I took birth to them because they are wonderful people. They will take care of me. That is the reason I decided. I chose these parents. I was shocked. When I took out my hand, he thanked me. He said, thank you for not healing me. I have to respect the individual soul's desire. I took my hands out. And after that, he was again he became artistic child. No question of talking, nothing. But for that 10 minutes, he was very clear. Clear, and he is talking in Tamil, in my language. This was I can say, big opening for me. I realized the great truth that everybody is choosing. Whatever they want to go through in their life, they are choosing. It is their choice. Many times, even people who come around me, who come near me, they live around me, but fellows choose suffering. And they leave, they disappear. And they don't understand. Even if I advise, even if I personally tell them, sometimes then I understand. I think Prarabdha is more powerful than a master. Prarabdha is more powerful than a master. I think suffering is inevitable. What can be done? It is their choice. It is up to them. We can't do anything. So change the chakra, energy center from which you are acting. The main share of your energy, main part of your energy is functioning. You will see the whole world changes. Your world will change and all your experience will be different and the whole world will be different. If you want to change the world, the only idea is change you. Change your center. You will see. See, everything is going on in the world. Great spiritual sessions like this, where enlightenment is being shared. And the same way, the terrorist training, everything is happening in this world. When you change your world, you connect with that world. If you are based on that kind of attitude, continuously fear, naturally you will feel connected to some terrorists. And you will feel connected to that kind of attitude, idea, activity. You will connect with that kind of group. It is just your ideas, your world. When you change, your whole world changes. It's like now, when we change the energy center from which you are acting, you will see the whole world from a different angle. You will feel connected to a different kind of friends. You will attract different incidents, different persons to your life. You will attract different news. The whole thing will be different. Your whole world will be different. So this whole process of working on the energy center is to shift, to transform the way in which you think, the way in which you act, way in which you live, way in which you exist. The whole thing will be new. It's like shifting the very center from which you are functioning. I want you to see that there is a flux giving you an understanding of where the energy centers are located. The root of the spine is the root chakra. If you know Sanskrit, you can learn the Sanskrit word. Otherwise, don't worry. Just understand root chakra, the root center. Just 2 inches above is the spleen chakra, the Swadhisthana, where your being is centered. And on the navel chakra, and on the heart center. If you are an old devotee or oldie, don't think I am going to take ASP or Life Bliss program. How many of you have taken the Life Bliss program? Relax, you don't know Life Bliss program. Now, go through. It will be totally different experience. Neither techniques are, don't think, oh, the same idea, I know everything. No, you don't know. You only have been introduced to chakras in LVP. The introduction is given. The initial idea is given. What will you experience in 2 days just with an acharya? Tell me. It is a teaser advertisement. It is not even a proper advertisement, understand? It is just a teaser advertisement. So, relax. From the idea, you know something. Are the ideas which you know about the chakras. You may know the names, that's all. Just because you have seen one rose, you don't think you know all the roses are all over the world. No. Just because you have seen one rose, you think you know all the roses from all over the world? No. Just because you heard the name chakras, don't think you know everything about chakras. And don't feel bored. Go into the whole thing in a very fresh attitude, like a beginner. You will experience new things. The navel center, on the navel, Sanahata region is a heart chakra, heart center, and throat is a Vishuddhi chakra. Between the eyebrows, the brow center, it's a Agnya chakra, the brow center. I can say that's like a browsing center. You can download anything from the cosmic memory. Just like if you go to a browsing center, you can Google, you can download anything. If you can activate the Agnya chakra, you can download any knowledge. All the knowledge which was, is, will be available to you through the Agnya chakra. You can straight away download. Understand? If you see my life, just look with the open eyes. I am only 32. Whatever I have spoken in last 5 years, whatever I expressed in last 5 years, it can never go inside, even if I am reading, listening, only doing research for 32 years. If you read some of our books and discourses, you can understand. Even if I have spent my 32 years in research, all these things can never go inside me by reading and listening. See, if the usual method of grasping, usual method of gaining the knowledge, eyes and ears, if my eyes and ears are active for all the 32 years and receiving, even then you can't imagine so much can come out. Please understand, the knowledge as another one source, which we call pramana, or the experience, anubhuti. So knowledge as another one source beyond your 5 senses. The Agnya, this chakra is the next source, different source for knowledge, where you can start downloading directly and expressing. Without using your senses, you can download the knowledge. That is the power of Agnya chakra, the third eye. And ultimately, the end is Sahasrara chakra, the crown center. The 7 different way to exist. Please understand, 7 different way to exist. That's the right way I can describe. You know only how to exist from greed, root center. How to exist from fear, the spleen center. How to exist from worry. You only know only these 3 existence. You existed only between these 3. Now, let's start experiencing the higher possibility, higher forms of existence, higher ways to exist at different energy centers. Shift the energy to the different centers. You will see your understanding, idea, way of acting, way of thinking, way of existing, way of being becomes different. We'll take few minutes to concentrate on those places and feel certain energy exists there. You see, if you concentrate on those particular centers, you will understand those few centers, suddenly you will see your mind will settle down. Your mind will not be wandering. You will feel you are centered, you are connected, you are solid. For example, if you concentrate in this spot, you will not feel solid. Your mind will easily wander. Your mind won't be concentrated. But concentrate on this spot, you will feel you are centered. Your mind is not wandering. Especially in this spot, if you concentrate, you will see suddenly mind will settle down. Because these centers are living energies. Please understand, if you concentrate here, your mind won't settle down. If you concentrate here, your mind won't settle down. If you concentrate here or somewhere here and there, your mind won't settle down. But if you just concentrate here, or here, or here, your mind will settle down. This is a solid proof the energy centers exist. Of course, now the Kirlian photography has proved the existence of energy center. There are thousands of the aura reading machines have come now. Just like chakra reading, just like astrology reading, the chakra reading machines have come. If you just put your hand, it shows your chakras. Which chakras are active, which chakras are dull, which chakra is energetic. It has become very clear science. Now I want you to experience the chakras.